Hello, this is Gabe and Tristan playing Dead Island.
It's glitched.
Here, no, I got it. Just no,
it's letting me. It's letting me.
I know what's happening.
No,
Mine, my computer.
No, mine.
No, just bring it to the edge and make that mouse. Like,
They split. Oh, can I make it go in between?
yeah, I did it once.
There we go.
Oh, so boss. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, so choose who you
Whoa,
want.
man. Logan in the house, dog. Oh, pee over now. Do they start with this weapon?
I'm not sure. No.
My father was a chief inspector for the Hong Kong police.
Yeah, I
He
know.
died when I was 10.
Well, that sucks for you.
Sucker!
Ah, it's weird.
Sam B.
That guy's. That's awesome.
Yeah, John. Yeah. Here, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. Combat, survival, anything you want.
Should I do like anything survival? Combat. Should I have a combat guy?
Survival. Stay alive longer.
Yes. Am I playing with this?
No one likes cutscenes.
Oh, do I have to start off playing as a different person?
Sea of Fog.
Do I start off as a different person or do I start off with the same guy?
Same guy.
Oh, am I playing with this mouse? Oh, I play as Piran for the beginning.
Ixine.
What? Exy.
Or, no.
Oh, he's...
You've been bitten. How long has it been?
Long enough. Guess it doesn't affect me. Are you immune too? So it seems. Right, that's why I beat to shit like this. It's all part of my cover.
No one likes cutscenes.
Oh my god. Well,
There you go.
okay.
Oh, that's a bit weird, but...
Dog's breakfast.
This is kind of weird. Am I still drugged?
Yeah.
What's with this?
One door open.
Crew already bailed.
No.
No.
Other door. Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, what is this? Guess you just got a flexible hose.
Yeah. Woo! Flexible hose in the house.
Never. Oh, what's this? Clamp. I can probably build something now.
Oh my god, you can build everything in the world!
Gabe, you suck. Okay, I need to find a gun. I did play the original Dead Island. I didn't make videos, but I beat the game. It was pretty good.
Yeah. Control correct.
Seriously, I don't play computer very much, so I'm more of an Xbox guy. PS3 sucks. Yeah, okay,
Computers.
Jump.
You're gonna have to learn how to play
Yeah.
the PC.
Die. Oh, sweet, I can just beat. Actually, fists in Dead Island are not that bad a weapon. Screw you.
No, get the crowbar. You need it. Like, I'm not joking. You need it. Spitful crowbar. It's like one of the best.
No, it sucks.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, right.
Plus, you have to open that door.
Hit him.
No, not that one. No, I think it's the one where you got the spitful crowbar from.
Maybe.
The only door intact.
This one?
Yeah, just hover around it. F. No?
It's over there. No. No.
This way?
Hello. It's in this circle. So, is there something I have to
Maybe I have
pass?
to go back.
No, that it wouldn't do that.
Yeah, good point.
Have you played this part, Gabe?
Yeah, I just forgot.
Who's here?
Oh, my neighbor. I
What's
forgot
he
what
here
you're
for?
supposed to
Why
do.
is he here?
Oh, because they're picking up my dad. He doesn't. Just freaking open door.
Okay, I passed it.
Ha! Ha!
I just want to beat some crap up now.
Yeah.
There's something in there. Oh, I think I just saw something. Could it be like a glitch or something?
Probably not. I don't think. Oh, maybe we're supposed to hit some buttons to open the door.
Okay,
Like,
what
look
are buttons?
around the door. Like, around that intact door. The door that's actually intact. Like, look on those boxes and stuff that you're.
Hover around them.
Huh.
Look at my nose.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Oh, turn that way. Go straight. Turn. No. Go back. Go.
Right here?
Wow. How can I not remember this? Crouch.
Sorry. Is there anything in here?
Yeah. Doubt you're supposed to go back.
Yeah, it has to be in that circle.
Yeah. Because I actually remember having to go through there.
Yeah, I know. I watched Yogscast play this.
You mean Hannah?
Yeah.
And Duncan?
Search your objectives. Do you have to pick something up? What's that?
Huh, what the heck?
I'm gonna beat up this light. I'm mad. Shut up. Oh, got this.
Wow, we just had to equip the crowbar. That
We are geniuses. Look at me.
Yeah.
Oh, you probably have to.
It's a bit dark. Oh yeah, right.
Die.
Ah!
Oh, I swear. I played the original. It was actually not that bad. I didn't like the ending though with the infected guy.
Follow the
Oh, yeah.
dots on your mini map.
How do you sprint?
Shit.
Dang, I hate this. Where are you? Oh, hold. Oh,
Yeah, you're really not used to this, are you?
no.
You bastards still trying to
Oh, I haven't ever found that baton.
The weapon switch.
like it's something good.
No.
Circular blade.
You have enough slots for that baton.
She's gonna be. Wow.
Grab the baton.
Oh,
Why?
it sucks. This is
You
better.
can sell it.
No,
Alright.
just Gabe.
Alright, fine. Oh no, we're all gonna die.
Ouch. You don't say.
Man down, we're all gonna die. Man down.
Have to extinguish that fire.
Screw
Your
up.
feet look so, like, screwed up.
Yeah, I know. It's a good game, Gabe.
I know. Just, it's okay.
I know the graphics aren't that good. They're okay. It's just, you know, what do you
Do you
expect?
know how
It
to
isn't
fix
that.
this?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, how?
Well, from what I can tell you, go up here. Up. Like, Gabe, this isn't made by a big game producer.
Company?
Yeah, it was really hard to find because they didn't make that many copies. Like, they didn't make like 10 copies. Oh yeah, I got one of the 10 copies they did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. But they didn't make as much as, like, you know, they make Call of Duty.
Unless you get it off Steam or something.
Yeah. Hello
I
there.
suggest grabbing. Okay, yeah. Get ready.
Fucking kidding me.
You don't say.
I'm really starting to get sick of this shit.
Where I'm playing, I'm not actually that far from Hannah and Duncan.
How do you kick? Oh. It's gangbang.
Gangbang. Curb stomp him.
Oh no, I'm gonna kick him in the butt. Really? Watch this. Butt kick. Butt kick.
Holy crap, that was perfect.
Did he have anything on him?
Look at him.
That sounded wrong.
Kick him.
Kick him in the butt. F. What do you have?
I've got to find a way out of here.
Yes. Oh sweet, 600 damage. Give him that. This is a good weapon. LMB, what's LMB? I didn't know what to press.
You always have to spam those. That's what I do.
Soda. Like, this is a good game. Do you admit that?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. It's a good story.
It's my second favorite. I played 2 zombie games. This is my favorite. COD Zombies is worse.
Yeah, I know.
No offense, I don't like it.
How do you switch weapons?
Dude, you just went in. You're supposed to go up. You just went in a circle. Oh, the 1, 2, no, scroll. The scroll wheels to switch weapons.
Okay, you know what I say? Fists. See, they're not that bad.
Yeah, once you get farther, they get harder. It's just in the ship, they're like easy. Here comes a big horde of zombies.
Yeah. Do I have to kill them all?
AKA 1. Go in the rooms, but watch out because there's zombies in them. But you can also find pretty good stuff in the rooms. Flimsy cleaver.
Okay,
Okay.
cut damage. Hello?
Oh, grab the can. Get some health.
Slice him.
If you grab like food or cans.
I know.
Oh,
I played this game.
I haven't.
Well, I played, you know.
Ooh, you just
See-
sliced his head off or something.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a head there.
See, I just don't like the way how the blood like spurts out, you know.
Yeah.
Uh,
Because, you know, it's safe to drink all these.
It's not like they're infected. Ooh. I'm just grabbing me. Oh yeah.
Because you basically have a big inventory.
Yep. I'm just. See, and the thing is, too, you don't keep them for that long. You have to get into the, like, you know. And they can't damage you when you're drinking these, I don't think so.
Yeah, they can.
Oh, they can't. That sucks. Yeah.
Okay, leave
Hello?
this room.
Oh, I could have just not went through here. Are there a lot in here?
No. I find that this...
The upper decks.
You get a gun eventually.
Yeah, I know. Oh, infected. I hate these things. They have less health, but they run.
That guy's still alive. The walker.
You know what I say to you?
Sparta!
Oh, alcohol.
Alcohol!
Ready? Keep, like...
Dude, whenever you get off the cliff, you have to yell Sparta. Is Sparta!
I'm just leaving that.
There's zombies all over these rooms. Look behind you. Oh. In most of them, there's a zombie. You just lost your hammer.
Yeah, I don't care. Yeah.
You're gonna get guns soon, but then you lose them.
Yeah, I know. It
One more I
sucks.
suggest,
Ship is filling with water.
if you, I should get the guns in one, in one of my saves and then just have it.
Crap.
I should-
Eat up.
Dude, grab the guns and then go into a new save. I think you'll still have the guns.
No, that's cheating.
Yeah, I know. You get an AK
Yeah, I know.
and a pistol. Like a pistol and a few shotguns. I wish it was a bit easier to get guns. Don't you?
I'll activate my fury in a second.
Don't you wish it was easier to get guns and stuff?
That's gonna take a miracle to get out of this.
Ready?
Yeah.
Watch this. Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Hey, that's my stick. That's my pole that I was talking about that I lost.
That was pretty cool.
Wait, how'd you get to that weapon?
Oh, that was fury.
How do you do that?
If your that's your fury meter. If it's full, press C, and your guy goes into fury. Which basically, like Logan in the original, he had a knife that he threw, but the knife would always come back, and you could throw it like 50 times, and it did like 2,000 damage.
What about in this one?
I don't know. This guy's he gets a ninja pole.
Yeah, I had one of those poles. I got them, and then I had to do a mission and swapped it for a flare gun. There's a zombie.
Oh, that
behind you.
one. I don't.
Yeah, there's a live one.
I don't care.
Oh, I'm
What's the
hoarding
one?
zombies. I just jumped on the ladder and climbed up. You know?
Okay, I gotta go wee. Can you play for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, no, actually, I don't.
This is the one with all the guns. You can pause it.
I can? Will you guys mind? Escape?
Yeah. Well, you missed a bit, not too much.
I didn't know it was running. I headshotted a few zombies, but... oh, look at this gun. Yeah. Okay, I know there's another infected down here. I headshotted an infected. Like...
By doing nothing, he just walked up to him like
oh, yeah, like that.
headshot.
Just like I got it the first time. Like that first one. Go
Yeah.
play that, guys.
Like how he got this one back here, the one shot.
Meat. You can build bait with meat. Well, at least you can in the original.
Yeah, I know.
Please don't tell me that's a thug.
No, thugs aren't. I wish you didn't lose the guns. The guns are awesome.
No, that would make the game way too easy.
Or you lost your AK, all you had is the pistol.
Still too easy.
Actually, I should go buy the pistol, because when I'm playing with my friend, I can buy the pistol. So tonight, maybe, I'll buy the pistol.
How do you run?
Sprint. Okay, Tristan, grab out your...
Control.
Grab out another grab a melee weapon out.
I'm just
Dude,
shooting.
grab a melee.
Oh, crap.
Even your fist would be better. Dude, they're close up. There you go. See, now all you have is 4 more. Or 15.
Alright, where's my shotgun? How do I?
Oh, Y. No. T. No. U. Okay, inventory. Sluggish short shotgun. Equip. No, here. Watch.
Wrong mouse.
No, watch. Yeah, for that. The sluggy shotgun. Dude, grab some shotgun ammo now.
I think this is... You used to be able to have way more shotgun ammo. Okay, where do I go?
You can't take any more?
No.
Wow.
Used to be able to take shift. Eventually. Used to be able to have 50. No, it's 26.
Yeah.
Where do I go now?
Jump.
Oh.
That was my iPod.
Yeah, no, I didn't bring mine.
Yeah, no one cares.
Oh, I can stomp him. Stomp F.
Is that a thug or no? It's the Gold Walker.
See, you can't really do headshots with a
Stop it.
You can't. Because only I can jump up this. They see me rolling. They hating. Hey, bud. Push him over. Oh, I walked through him because he was dead. What? Who shot him? Oh. Hey, bud. Cut. Didn't see. Oh, these things are cool.
What is it?
Hambo.
Oh. Up the ladder.
Oh, that guy's. That's the chopper you landed in.
Yeah, I know. Wow. That guy says, I hate that guy. Really? He
Dies, I think. Oh, there's
Sam Hardy? Or not Sam.
him, clonal.
Yeah, it'd be easy if...
Okay, just shoot the suicider once and he dies. Oh, why am I talking to myself? By the way, I'm the one playing. Just so you guys know.
Oh, my ear just went like pop.
This is cool, Zach. This is a cool shot. Ready?
Hit the, Thug level 18. Why are they called thugs?
Because they're big.
What the heck?
It's infected.
I know.
How you like dumb? I'm brawling, boy.
Dude, grab the AK.
I did.
Okay.
Where is it?
Why don't you use your AK?
There we go. Where is it? AK.
For the top range. Whatever.
You're a little fat to be in the army, don't you say?
Yeah, Sam Hardy dies, doesn't he?
Yeah.
But although you find him in the tree fort.
Yeah. Ready? Okay, I'm just gonna go grab some more ammo.
Oh, back there.
See, what you're supposed to do is reload so you have the full mag.
Large mag kit.
Pistol ammo, okay. Much. That's all I want.
Dude, flea bow pistol is better, isn't it, than Spitiful pistol?
Kane. Smith. We're off to see the wizard. There's gonna be something in here. Either a zombie or a gun. Radioactive.
No, Tristan. I'd laugh if you could open one of the boxes. It gives you like
A lightsaber.
yeah, no, like an epic gun, like a ray gun. They get to keep for the whole. You get to keep.
And
it.
then it gets swapped for the flare gun. I would get mad.
No, it's because whatever you had in your hand got swapped.
I had the best, what's it called? Melee in the game. It was, called Zed's Demise. It was amazing. It was a katana, two-handed.
Tristan, you're going the wrong way.
No,
Oh yeah, no, man, you're not. I remember now.
I'm smart. Oh, I almost have rage. I like injecting myself with stuff.
Okay, the door's right there. Zombie trying to get in.
Kick him in the butt.